Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Google Pixel 10. Okay, so when it comes to the restarting of the Google Pixel 10, we have two methods. We have a simple reboot using the power menu and the force restart. Let's begin with the simple reboot. This method is recommended when the phone is fully responsive, when the screen works properly. And now, how to do it? We need to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button, just like that. Now, all you need to do is to tap on the restart. When you tap on it, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be turned on. When it comes to the force restart, this method is recommended basically when we cannot perform the first method, or for example when a device is lagged, frozen, or when it's unresponsive. To perform a force restart, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time until the phone shuts down. So we need to keep holding both of the buttons. You can see that the power menu also appeared, but we need to keep holding until the screen turns off. Okay, now we can release our fingers, and just like in the previous method, we need to wait a few seconds until the phone turns on. You can already see that the Google logo appeared. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.